I'm Renee, and you're watching Island House Handmade. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. It's the Saturday before Thanksgiving, and I wanted to make something different. So I Googled gingerbread cookie recipe, and surprisingly enough, I got a really good recipe. These cookies came out delicious. I'll leave the recipe card in the description below, as well as on the video. Today's video, we're making gingerbread cookies. This one I rolled in sugar and pressed it down with a spoon. This adorable gingerbread man is from a cake pan that I had, and I loaded it up with the batter, and this cute gingerbread came out, so he's adorable. And a classic cookie cutter gingerbread cookie man. If you'd like to follow along, hit that like and subscribe button. This is the pan I used. I collected this a while ago. I'm not really sure where I got it, but it's from Country Baker. And this is the little cake man. There's a heart and a Christmas tree. So I think you could make this with brownies, any type of cookie. It's really cute. So I wanted to play around with that. This is my classic little plastic gingerbread cookie cutter. Worked perfectly. And then the round cookies, I just rolled a little teeny like little balls and then pressed them down. So that was easy. Now the glaze you can make with powdered sugar and a little milk. You make it really thick, and then we'll pipe it onto the cookie. coming up next, we'll decorate the gingerbread men. On this. I'm not making a whole batch of this powdered sugar icing, so I'll just make a little bit, show you. I'll use 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and a couple little drops of milk. I'll put a little bit more powdered sugar, just so it's not so runny. And I don't have anything to pipe it, but I'll use a little Ziploc and punch a hole through the corner and just use this to kind of pipe a little on. There's a nice thick consistency. So I'll put this in the bag here, right in the corner. Close up my bag. These sandwich bags are great. They're so small, you don't have to waste anything. Okay, we're gonna pretend this is our little piping bag, like that. And I'll just cut a little snippet off the bottom. Teeny, teeny snip. Now we can pipe. Now how cute is he? Well, I hope I inspired you to get ready for Thanksgiving. It's so fun cooking, baking, sewing, all the things. I'm gonna sew some pillowcases to bring them home with me. I made some food to bring home with me for Thanksgiving. I'm making all the sides. I made some gingerbread cookies, a little different than the usual chocolate chip cookie. And it was just something different, easy, super easy, and you can make this at home too. So enjoy your milk and cookies, enjoy your Thanksgiving, and thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.